Good morning, students. Hope you will be fine at your respective places. And last time we were discussing the morphology of the flower, and we were discussing this third world of the flower. In continuation to that world, that is this Androceium, we will continue, we will proceed further, and we will try to discuss various terms which are related with this Androceium and which we will find in our video. फर्स्ट जो टर्म आती है when we will see when all the stamens are free, they are not fused, which we have discussed in the fused stamens. And वहां पर हमने देखे three conditions are there, whether it is the filament part which is fused, or it is the anthers which are fused, or it is both anthers and the filaments they are fused. Now when all the stamens they are free, that is called as polyandrous, this condition. Now this stamen की अगर हम बात कर लेंगे, this is the thalamus, and this bell, we will see this stamen is there. This part which is attached on this is called as the proximal part, and this is called as the distal part. Now this we will find some conditions where we will see that this proximal part or the base of this filament, it remains fused with the other whorls of the flower. This base part or this proximal part of the stamen, it remains fused with the, it remains attached with the other parts of the other whorls of the flower, and we will find different conditions. First condition जो हमारे पास आती है, that is called as epipetalous. Epipetalous condition तब पैदा हो जाती है when the stamens, that is mainly the filament part, it remains attached with the petals of the flower, corolla of the flower. अगर हम ये देखेंगे, we will find it in the brinjal. दूसरी बात, when the filament it remains attached with the sepals, we will call episepalous. Filament जो है, it remains attached with the sepals. Third, when the filament जो है, it remains attached with the tepals. When there are no sepals or petals, we have got the petals, and that is called as epiphyllous, or that is called as tepalous. That is filament जो है, it remain attached with the tepals. So on that basis, how the filament, हम कहेंगे that it is the filament, it not only remain fused with itself, but it remain attached with the petals, that is called as epipetalous. That it remains attached with the sepals, then that condition is called as the episepalous. Then this filament, it remains attached with the tepals, that is called as epiphyllous, or we have got the epipetalous. Third, when the anthers of the stamens are attached with the stigma of the carpel, that is called as, that condition is called as the gyandrous. When anthers of the stamens they remain attached with the stigma of the, they remain fused with the stigma of the carpel, then we have got the condition that is called as the gyandrous. And for example, the condition हम देख सकते हैं calopterus. This is the condition. Now, on the basis of the relative length of the filament, कि filament की length कैसी है, on the basis of the relative length of the flower, relative length of the flower, we have got two types of stamens of the filament. On the relative length of the filament, we have got two types of the stamens. One and this is the second. One की अगर हम बात करें, that is called as a didynamous, and second one is called as the tetradynamous. Di, it is two number of stamens, and this di 2 plus 2 stamens, that is total number of stamens, that is 4. Of these 4, जो outer stamens जो हैं they are longer, और जो inner one है they are shorter, like this condition. Didynamous में हम देखते हैं कि total 4 stamens are formed. Outer जो stamens है they are longer and the inner stamens they are shorter. इसकी हमारे पास example है, that is called osmium. We have got the example salvia. अब टेट्रा में हम देखेंगे 4 plus and this di means 2. Total हमारे पास we have got the 6 stamens, and how they are arranged we will find. जो outer वाले stamens है they are somewhat shorter in length, और जो inner 4 है they are longer in length. And we have got the, it is the characteristic feature of the family Brassicaceae. जिसमें ब्रेसिका आता है, मस्टर्ड आता है, वहां पर ऐसे हम स्टेमन्स देख सकते हैं. सो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द रिलेटिव लेंथ ऑफ द फिलामेंट. अब स्टेमन्स हमारे पास एक और टाइप के भी हैं. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द नेचर, on the basis of the shape, on the basis of the size, on the basis of the way of dehiscence, we have got two types of the stamens. First one, isostemnous and heterostemnous. Iso means same, stemness means stamens. So we will see जो stamens जो हैं they are same in size, they are same in shape, they have got the same way of dehiscence. अब heterostemnous की अगर हम बात करेंगे, they are different in size, they are different in shape, they have got a different way of dehiscence. So on the basis of the shape, on the basis of the size, on the basis of the dehiscence, we have got two types of stamens. एक is isostemnous and heterostemnous. Iso means same. So we will see stemness means the stamens. So we will see stamens, they are same in size, same in shape, and they have got the same way of dehiscence. Hetero means different. Stamens, they have got, or the different in size, they are stamens, they are different in shape, and they have got the different way of dehiscence. Now, एक और. On the, we have got different types of these stamens on the basis of their classification of stamens with respect to petals. With respect to petals. First one. एक एक करके हम ये कोशिश कर लेंगे. फिर एक है हमारे पास, that is called as alternopetalous. इसमें हम क्या देखते हैं? फर्स्ट वन कंडीशन, पेटल जो है दे ऑकर इन सिंगल वर्ल, एक ही वर्ल पाया जाता है. स्टेमेंस दे ऑकर इन सिंगल वर्ल. दूसरी बात, number of stamens is equal to number of petals, ये दूसरी कंडीशन, एंड स्टेमन जो हैं are arranged alternatively with petals. अब हम यहां पर क्या देखते हैं, ऑल्टरनो पेटल्स की अगर हम बात करें, स्टेमेन्स दे ऑकर इन सिंगल वर्ल. दूसरी बात, नंबर ऑफ स्टेमेन्स इज इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ पेटल्स. थर्ड बात, स्टेमेन्स आर अरेंज्ड ऑल्टरनेटिवली विद पेटल्स. और यहां की जो एग्जांपल हम देखेंगे दैट इज सोलनम नाइग्रम. दूसरी ये हुआ फर्स्ट टाइप. सेकंड जो हमारे पास है दैट इज एंटी स्टेमनस. सेकंड एंटी पेटलस. पहला था ऑल्टरनो पेटलस, सेकंड वन इज एंटी पेटलस. सी द कंडीशन, स्टेमेन्स occur in single whorl. Second बात, number of stamens is equal to number of petals. Second बात. थर्ड बात जो हम कहेंगे, जो स्टेमेन्स है, अब जो फर्क है, स्टेमेन्स आर अरेंज्ड opposite to that of petals. और इसके पास जो हमारे एग्जाम्पल दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द कोरिएंडर. सो एंटी पेटलस की अगर हम बात कर लेंगे, स्टेमेन्स ऑकर इन सिंगल वर्ल, number of stamens that is equal to number of petals, stamens are arranged opposite to that of petals. और इसके पास जो हमारे पास एग्जाम्पल है, what we will see that is this corydander. Now third topic, थर्ड जो हमारे पास है that is डिप्लोस्टेमनस. और फोर्थ जो हमारे पास है, जो हम पढ़ने की कोशिश करेंगे, ऑब्डिप्लोस्टेमनस. अब फर्क क्या है? फर्स्ट, डिप्लोस्टेमनस में स्टेमेन्स occur in two whorls. हो गया एक. सेकेंड वन, नंबर ऑफ स्टेमेन्स डबल दैट ऑफ पेटल्स. अब स्टेमेन्स दो वर्ल्स में होती है. अब एक वाली वर्ल जो होती है, इट इज द पेटल, एक अंदर की होती है, एक बाहर की होती है. नाउ हाउ दीज स्टेमेन, अब जो आउटर वर्ल जो है, आउटर वर्ल ऑफ स्टेमेन लाई ऑल्टरनेटिवली विद दैट ऑफ पेटल्स. और जो इनर वर्ल है, it lies opposite to that of petals. स्टेमेन्स की दो वर्ल्स हैं. अब जो आउटर वर्ल है, बीच में ये है स्टेमेन्स. जो आउटर वर्ल है स्टेमेन्स की, ये इस व्हाट वी कॉल्ड एज it is alternatively with that of the petals. और जो inner whorl है, it lies oppositively to that of the petals. For example, cassia. दूसरी बात, obdiplostemnus. stamens occur in two whorls. Again, ये रिवर्स है उसका, लेकिन डिफरेंस कहां पर है? In two whorls. Second one, number of stamens double that of petals. अब these two are same. ये वाला पॉइंट और ये वाला पॉइंट सेम है. ऑफ द डिफरेंस, अब जो यहां पर आउटर वर्ल जो है, इट लाइज अपोजिट टू दैट ऑफ पेटल्स, और जो इनर वर्ल है, इट लाइज ऑल्टरनेटिवली that of petals. So अगर इसके एग्जाम्पल अगर हम देखेंगे, we have got the flower that is called as pink. Now what is the difference between diplostemnus and this obdiplostemnus? दो पॉइंट्स दे आर सेम इन बोथ केस. Stamens they occur in two whorls, यहां पर भी यहां पर भी. Number of stamens that is double that of petals, यहां पर भी. आउटर वर्ल जो है, इट लाइज ऑल्टरनेटिवली विद दैट ऑफ पेटल्स, और आउटर वर्ल जहां पर यहां देखते दैट लाइज अपोजिट दैट ऑफ पेटल्स. इनर वर्ल लाई अपोजिट टू दैट ऑफ पेटल्स, इनर वर्ल लाइज ऑल्टरनेटिवली टू दैट ऑफ पेटल्स. So what we have discussed different types of these stamens, how they are classified on the basis of their size, on the basis of their shape, on the basis of their distance, and with respect to the petals. On that basis, we have discussed various types of the petals, the stamens. Now, in this next video, we will try to discuss the fourth whorl, that is the female whorl of the flower, that is called as the gynoecium. Until then, goodbye. God bless you. Thanks.